The novel Jane Eyre is about an orphaned girl who is brought up by her aunt and cousins John, Eliza, and Georgiana. John had not much affection for his mother and sisters, and he strongly disliked Jane. There were moments when Jane was bewildered by his threats and inflictions. The obedient servants didn't like to offend their young master by taking Jane's side against him. Jane dreaded the blow from John and tottered away shortly after he struck her. Once he struck her and told it was for the sneaking way of getting behind the curtains. He also told that Jane was a dependent and could not rummage through his bookshelves to find a book to read. Accustomed to John's abuse, Jane had never thought of replying him before. But that time John told her to stand by the door and hold a book which hid Jane. So she replied that he was a wicked and cruel boy, a murderer like Roman emperors. John did not expect it. He ran to Jane, grasped her hair and her shoulder. Jane felt a drop or two of blood from her head trickle down her neck. Then deep suffering predominated over fear. She didn't remember what she did with her hands, but John bellowed out aloud. Soon help was near him, and Jane was punished. Thus Jane had a difficult life, which the book follows, but she finally found love and happiness. Jane Eyre has been made into several movies and TV series, and it's one of the most well-known English books all over the world.